Let's talk plastic numbers. I think this is what confuses most people. There's all these numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all in triangles, and people don't even understand what the plastic means or the code means. So we look at it as a recycling symbol, but actually what the symbol is and the number inside the triangle is actually a plastic identification code. It identifies the plastic that that product's made out of. Like this one here is a number 5 plastic. So this can actually go in my recycling bin. It's number 5, so yes, can be recycled. But this is where it gets confusing, right? Because say you've got a bucket. So this bucket also has number 5 on it. So people go, oh look, it can be recycled. But no, not only is the bucket too big to go in the recycling, it's actually a different sort of plastic when it comes to recycling. So if there's a hole in your bucket, you can't just chuck it in the recycling bin. The bucket is completely different to this here. So how we generally identify plastics that can be recycled is that a plastic that is like a single-use plastic. So this will be used as a dip container once. That's a single-use plastic with a number 5, can be recycled. And we say that of kitchen, bathroom, and even laundry products. So any of these sort of products, 1, 2, or 5 can go in the recycling. But as soon as it's a larger product like a washing basket, a steamer, like a plastic container, a bucket, these here are too big to go through the plant, but it's actually made from number 5 but can't be recycled. This can be used multiple times, and so this is a multi-use plastic. So when things like that can be used lots of times, it's actually not able to go in recycling. So if there's a hole in your bucket, unfortunately that's got to go in the landfill bin. It can't go in your recycling bin.